Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a machine that pops up quite often in the budget PC space, specifically a renewed Dell Optiplex 9020 tower, configured here as a potential gaming desktop. This particular setup comes with an Intel Core i7 processor, a solid 16 gigabytes of RAM, a storage combination of a 2TB hard drive for bulk storage and a 120 gigabyte SSD for faster boot times and application loading, plus built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and HDMI connectivity. It arrives with Windows 10 pre-installed. Now, the big question mark for gaming on this machine is the included graphics card, an MSI GeForce GT 730 with 4 gigabytes of memory. It's important to set expectations here. The GT 730 is an entry-level card. While it's certainly better than relying solely on integrated graphics, it's not designed for playing the latest AAA titles at high settings. Think more along the lines of older games, less graphically demanding esports titles like League of Legends or CS. Go at lower settings, or perhaps indie games. For general productivity, web browsing, streaming media, and office tasks, this configuration with the i7 and 16 gigabytes of RAM is actually quite capable and responsive, especially with the SSD handling the operating system. The Dell Optiplex line itself had a long history, over 25 years, known for being reliable workhorses in office environments. They are built with sturdy components and designed for longevity. Getting a renewed unit like this can be a great way to acquire a capable base system at a significantly lower cost than buying new. The tower form factor offers decent expandability, with space for additional drives or potentially a graphics card upgrade down the line, although you'd need to consider power supply limitations and physical space within the case if you plan on installing a more powerful GPU. The combination of the fast SSD and large HDD provides a good balance for everyday use and storing lots of files. The inclusion of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is convenient, saving you from needing external adapters. Overall, this renewed Dell Optiplex 9020 with these specifications presents itself as a compelling option for someone needing a budget-friendly PC that can handle daily tasks with ease and offers a stepping stone into very light PC gaming, or serves as a solid foundation for future upgrades if you're looking to build a more serious gaming rig over time. It's a practical choice for students, home office users, or anyone looking for a reliable desktop without breaking the bank, understanding its limitations as a dedicated gaming machine right out of the box.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.